First, let's create a sale order and add a product into it and confirm it. You can see here to create invoice. This is the bill for this quotation. I am choosing a regular invoice here. Then we can confirm the invoice. Here is the invoice and we can make payment to it. You can see it is in paid, and we can see that here there is a credit note option. This is the return of the product for this sale order. We can choose the credit note here. We need to tell the reason why we are returning the product, and we can see here reverse this. Now the credit note has been created. We can confirm it and make payment. Now it is paid. As we go back to the sale order, and we can see the invoices here. There is two invoices. One is the first, the bill generated, and the second one is the credit note. In credit note, we see here negative money is mentioned here, which means the amount has been given to the customer, not acquired by the company. This is credit note details. And as we can track this credit note in accounting module, in accounting, here there is customers. Under here